And as I'm making the chickens, add something to make it taste good. Because the doggone turkeys keep eating all their food. So, guess who's standing at the door waiting to greet me? Hello, we're picking out all the peas, or excuse me, corn. I didn't have any peas. See that on the back? That's why they make those. And Fred. Goodbye, Fred. Fred. Hi, Fred. Okay, there's a few turkeys. Way to start the day, puts a smile on my face. I've taken care of my herd of chickens, flock of chickens. And now I'm going out to breakfast.